Here's some Kilkenny Castle trivia. Subscribe. In which Irish city is Kilkenny Castle located? Is it A, Limerick, B, Kilkenny, C, Cork, or D, Dublin? The correct answer is B, Kilkenny. During which century was Kilkenny Castle built? Is it A, 14th century, B, 12th century, C, 13th century, or D, 10th century? The correct answer is B, 12th century. What is a notable interior feature of Kilkenny Castle? Is it A, Great Hall, B, Library, C, Chapel, or D, Dining Room? The correct answer is A, Great Hall. Which year saw the significant restoration of Kilkenny Castle? Is it A, 2001, B, 1994, C, 2010, or D, 1985? The correct answer is B, 1994. What major restoration program began in which decade? Is it A, 2010s, B, 1970s, C, 1990s, or D, 2000s? The correct answer is C, 1990s. Which type of collection is housed within Kilkenny Castle? Is it A, natural history exhibits, B, historical manuscripts, C, art collection, or D, antique furniture? The correct answer is C, art collection. What was Kilkenny Castle's original purpose? Is it A, defensive stronghold, B, royal residence, C, art museum, or D, medieval marketplace? The correct answer is A, defensive stronghold. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.